Chasing Multi-Parameter Sonde integrates 4 detection heads, simultaneously providing accurate stratified detection of target water with 5 parameters in real time, including pH value, dissolved oxygen, turbidity, conductivity, and salinity. Chasing Multi-Parameter Sonde has a maximum working radius of 400 meters and a maximum working depth of 20 meters. Users can obtain real-time detection results of 5 parameters at different positions and depths of the target waters by operating the ROV, greatly improving the efficiency of water quality detection. Equipped with Chasing Multi-Parameter Sonde, Chasing M2 Pro Max can provide effective detection solutions and reliable data for water ecological protection, restoration, and scientific analysis of water bodies, so as to formulate detailed water ecological protection plans. Moreover, Chasing Multi-Parameter Sonde plays an important role in fisheries aquaculture, water conservancy and hydropower, scientific investigation and environmental protection, and other industries.